Let me show you this folding clothes rack that I received for reviewing purposes. It is really useful because you can hang your clothes to dry and fold it back when you don't need it, so you won't see it, okay? This is basically what you will see in your wall, and when you want to hang your clothes, you just open it. When you need it, you just open it like this, and you get out these accessories so you can hang your clothes, clean everything, dry everything, and even if you want to hang something from these side brackets, and when you are finished, you just fold it again, and this is what you will see in your wall. So this is perfect for small places, small laundries, or even outside, but when you don't want your patio to look like a laundry all the time, okay? So let's install it and let me tell you how it looks. You get all the accessories that you need to hang it and a drilling template. Super useful, so you can drill exactly where you need to install it. Let's do it. You can see how perfectly installed it is. When you are not using it, it looks really, really slim in the wall. Doesn't bother you. And you still have these accessories to hang something. When you are going to use it, you just open it and get everything out like this. And you are ready to hang your clothes, whatever you want to air dry, okay? As you can see, it was easy to install it. When you are not going to use it, you just close everything like this. You still have a way of hanging one or two things here. Or open it fully to have 6 hanging rods. Okay, so it's a great option for your home, inside or outside, depending on your needs, and it won't make any space where you don't want to use it. Perfect.